Hello and welcome to Unwrap Mania. Today we are going to take a look and unbox the Eufy Video Doorbell. You can choose here between 4 different variations. First of all, you can choose between a 2K resolution and a doorbell with 1080p. Besides that, you can also choose if you want to have a wired doorbell or, like in this case, a battery powered version. After that, I'm gonna tell you why this doorbell can be the best for you. So, first things first, what is the first impression of the packaging quality? The material certainly feels good. It doesn't feel cheap in any way, but nothing premium either. So I would say pretty much what you would expect from a $200 video doorbell. The design is very clear with a lot of bullet points where they highlight the key features of this video doorbell. So let's quickly mention them. Like the free badge here obviously highlights that you have no monthly subscription fee, which is a big selling point besides the 2K HD resolution, which is one of the best you can get in a video doorbell. But now let's save the other key features for later and open the Eufy Video Doorbell. Okay, very nice design again. Certainly thought through packaging. Okay, we have here, what is this? Is this okay. Wow. That's certainly gonna keep burglars away from your home. 24/7 monitoring by Eufy. Very important. Your quick start guide with the instructions. Yeah. Okay, very good. And here is already the doorbell with the home base too. The size is pretty handy, it fits exactly in my hand. So nothing huge that you have to worry about, that you can't fit it anywhere in your home. And the video doorbell. Which feels, well, it is plastic, so it doesn't feel premium, to be honest, but the building quality seems pretty solid. The same for the home base. Plastic, but not exactly cheap plastic. It feels solid. Okay. So what's left in here? Let's have a look. Okay, so what could we find in this last blue box? First of all, the micro USB cable. Then we have here the extension cable, your screws, this should be your mounting bracket, right? Yes. Then we have mounting wedge, the detaching pin. So once your camera is mounted or your doorbell is mounted, this one will help you to detach it. And the home base 2 power adapter and your Ethernet cable. So that's what we can find in the box. and it was packed really well. Everything was thought through, nothing could move around, everything had a solid touch, just like every single component here. So very good first impression overall. So what's my verdict then for the Eufy Video Doorbell? I think for $199 this is an amazing video doorbell. It is at the same price level as the competitors such as the Ring Video Doorbell 3. It offers all the key features that they offer, such as active zoning, so you can determine which area the doorbell should actually scan for motions. It will also tell you if it was actually human or something else. Besides that, it offers some key benefits that the competitors do not offer or in a limited way. For instance, the video resolution of the doorbell is amazing, ahead of most of the competition. 2K resolution, fantastic. Then you have the local storage. If you're concerned about the storage of your footage, it won't be stored on any cloud. It will locally be stored in your home base too, which includes 16 GB of free storage. Furthermore, the home base allows you to connect additional Eufy smart home devices to that same base. So if you're planning to extend your smart home with additional devices, that is a great feature. So overall, for me, the Eufy doorbell is a great one. Actually my #1 pick, because of the great 2K video quality, no monthly subscription fee for the storage of my data, and most importantly, secure local storage. I don't have to be concerned where my data is stored, if it's safe. Even if my video doorbell gets stolen off my door, the data is still safe in my home base. So overall, my #1. So, do you agree with my verdict of the Eufy Video Doorbell? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Unwrap Mania. Hope to see you next time. And subscribe.